afternoon. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. And today I've got a video of a home we just listed at Joe Herbert Realty. And it is an awesome value, okay? And what I mean by that is, you'll see in the video, the home can benefit from a little TLC. But this is 1140 West 31st Street. Awesome neighborhood in Southwest Erie, priced at $98,000. You cannot buy a house like this in a nice area like this for $98,000. It's 3 beds, 1 full bath, kitchen's updated, it's got a 1-car garage, a nice driveway, full basement. All the appliances in the kitchen are included, plus the washer and dryer. Let's go check this one out. Come on. Here we are, we're inside of 1140 West 31st Street. Again, about 1,200 square feet, 3 beds, 1 full bath, huge fenced yard, garage, full basement, real nice appliances in the kitchen, includes a washer and dryer in the basement. So right now I just walked into the main living room. And as you can see, it's gonna need a little paint, but it's got hardwood floors and replacement windows. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen now. And this kitchen was redone. We got a nice black gas stove, fridge, dishwasher. These Formica counters are new, the cabinets are new. All the appliances stay, nice vinyl floor, and again, replacement windows. So take a little tour of that, Matt, and check it out. Okay, there are 2 first floor bedrooms, a full bath on the first floor, and then a real big bedroom on the second floor with a nice storage room. And again, as I mentioned, the home can benefit from a little TLC, but at $98,000, this house is a bargain and it's gonna go like that. So check this out, hardwood floors and again, replacement windows and a nice ceiling fan. Okay, so I'm in the second bedroom on the first floor, and again, we put brand new doors on the bedrooms, replacement windows, nice ceiling fans. As I mentioned, a little TLC, this room could use some carpet and paint. Take a quick look at the full bathroom that's right here on the first floor. Check it out. Okay, so now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the big second floor bedroom with built-ins and a nice storage area as well. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're upstairs now at 1140 West 31st Street, and there's a big finished bedroom up here. Really nice built-ins, right? Drawers, shelves, a nice closet. And then Matt, when you're done, go take a look at the storage room behind me here. So a ton of space up here on the second floor. So we're in the basement now. And there are 2 sides of the basement, which is nice. It's a big basement, it's got storage. This beautiful workbench stays, forced air heat right here. Here's your hot water tank. And then this really nice washer and dryer comes with the house. So that's one of the beauties of this value is, again, it's a lot of house, great yard, but all the appliances are included. So let's go to the other side of the basement, which was kind of a finished area. It needs a little TLC, but a nice big room. Come on. So we're in the other half of the basement now, and there was a floor here, they pulled it up, but you can put whatever flooring you want. This is big enough for a pool table, foosball, ping pong table. So this can be a nice finish area for you to hang out with your friends or play some games or have a playroom for the kids, but it's huge down here. In the backyard now. When you walk out the kitchen, you come out to this beautiful big deck. Now again, as I mentioned, it can benefit from TLC, but you do a little waterproofing here, nail down some nails, you got a gorgeous deck for entertaining. You walk right out of the kitchen with all your food, you can have your furniture right here. This is a great yard. Go ahead and check out the yard behind me. It's huge, right? It's fenced, you can just let your dogs out, you can have a volleyball court here. Great for family reunions, kids and pets to play. And the kids in the back are not included with the house. And here's this nice 1-car garage. You can park your car there, obviously, have additional storage. And the driveway is nice and long. You can have 3 cars in that driveway. Okay, so that wraps up our tour of 1140 West 31st Street. Again, 1,200 square feet, 3 beds, 1 full bath, full basement, all the kitchen appliances and a washer and dryer, $98,000. This won't last, it's a great value. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in buying or selling, call me, Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, 814-602-6181. Thanks for watching.